Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so nothing interrupts the process. First, clear a 1/2 meter workspace and connect the widget to its power source. This prevents accidental drops and resets. Once the device powers on, check firmware and battery percentage so you avoid mid-setup failures. Next, install the companion app on your phone or PC and pair using Bluetooth or USB-C. Pairing is necessary to access advanced settings. Make sure permissions are granted so the app can communicate with the widget reliably. Once paired, you focus on core configuration because that determines everyday behavior. Open the app, select your device, and run the initial calibration routine. Calibration aligns sensors and avoids drift. Then choose a performance profile, Eco for battery life, Balanced for typical use, or Max for peak output, because each option affects heat and runtime. After that, tweak sensitivity and threshold values to match your use case and save them as a named preset. Presets let you revert quickly, and you finish by validating and safeguarding the setup so the widget performs reliably. Run a full function test for 5 to 10 minutes and watch for irregular behavior. This confirms real-world readiness. Enable auto-updates and cloud backup so you receive improvements and never lose presets. If something goes wrong, reboot the device, repair the app, and repeat calibration. This sequence clears transient errors and restores accurate operation. If problems persist, factory reset as a last resort, then reapply your saved preset to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.